Alright guys, so I just have my brows on. My mother came on my hair last night, so I'm going to put my cap on. This is the cap that I always use, and I just put foundation on it. I know it looks grimy and gross, but this is the cap I use. Alright, so today I'll be working with LONGQI hair. No stranger to work with LONGQI hair, and whenever you see this box, this packaging, it is definitely a wig. So it's a pre-made wig, which is what I like to call stress relief. So this is how it comes packaged. So you have your wig, and you have a bandeau. We call them bandeau. What you guys call this where you're from, like your part of the world? So mine is called a bandeau, and we call it a bandeau. At the bandeau, it actually looks braided. I hope it focuses. Let me see. It actually looks braided like hair. So that's cool. So this will definitely come in handy. So we can utilize that. And in the box as well, we have a wig cap, a black wig cap. That's all that's in the box. So 1, 2, 3 things in the box. So this is the wig, and this is their Brazilian hair, and this is their Brazilian curly. I've never tried a wig like this before. Oh, I love the lace. The lace is brown. Ooh, I love this. This is it. Cute little foam moment. Yes. Then the hairnet may come in handy. And this is inside. And it is a frontal wig cap, it would seem. So I can part it anywhere here. You know, so I can like a nice the side part moment. And this is it. So I'll have the links in the description. This is what the wig looks like straight out the bag. Jaleel. So I have both my boys with me, Jonathan and Jaleel. So yeah. I'm going to do a quick face. So I have my brows on. Do my foundation. This is Togo. Yeah, Togo, 210 Togo from oh my god, where's my mirror? Oh, 210 Togo from Juvia's Place. So I'm wearing number 13 for their concealer, again from Juvia's Place. And for the concealer, this is 1. It's the darkest color that they have. So now I am taking Blondie from Huda Beauty, and then for my all over face, I'll be using Perfect Spice from Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica, and also for my glow I'll be using Cinnamon from Fenty Beauty. I'm sorry if you can hear a lot of background noise. You have no idea at the time I'm doing this voiceover. That's not the point. I feel like this lash is wonky, you guys. But yeah, so makeup done. Let me take this off. Now you will need to add hair and stuff with a got to be or whatever, but I'm not going to do that. And as you can tell as well, I did not do anything out the pack with the wig, so I'm just finger combing it now so that you guys can see it straight out the pack. I haven't done anything to it whatsoever. I did not do anything to the lace. I just apply as is, and this is what the lace looks like. I hope you guys can see. So it came with the center part, but if you spray down the sides, like adhesive down the sides, you can obviously get like, you know, do some of these stuff or whatever. But this is what we have. Again, it's from LONGQI Hair, they're Brazilian curly, and it's a wig, and it's not bad. Shoulder length, I think this is 14 inches. Yeah, 14 inches, all one size. And I like to pull up, like do this, I don't know what this is called, to kind of give me some volume. Aww, that's my kiss.
Yes.
I love you.
I love
Okay. So this is it, you guys. 14 inches, not bad. This is so cool, LONGQI. I love it. I love it. So the next time you see me, I want to have it in a different style, you know, to show y'all the versatility. I'm going to be doing 2 more videos with this wig from LONGQI Hair. I am, people call me like a LONGQI ambassador. I don't think I am. I just truly love the hair. And also, if you follow me on my vlog channel, you know that LONGQI and I, we have an agreement, a beautiful, amazing agreement. So I do a couple of videos for them for the month, you know. So yeah, so please show your support to LONGQI. I'll leave everything for them in the description bar below for you guys. And I truly hope you enjoyed this video with, you know, my boys being in there, you know, being interrupted and stuff. It's just what I have to go through now as a mother of a newborn, and also they call Jonathan age like a toddler, but with a 4-year-old and an almost 2-month-old, with a 7-week-old child. So it's a blessing being a parent. It's amazing being a mother, and I feel good when I have wigs like these, like pre-made wigs already done. And as you saw, all I did was put it on. No, I would recommend you guys add hair down the sides, isn't it, because the wind will take this, but you don't have to. You can just put it on if you're going to like a night event and you're good to go, you know, where the wind isn't taking everything all the way back. But as you guys can see, I just have it on, put it on. I didn't pluck anything either, so that was a blessing. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys, and thank you to LONGQI Hair for everything.
Have a great day.